Have you ever seen those eye-catching cooking vlogs online, the ones so satisfying to watch? You don't even realize you've been watching a lady cut vegetables for 30 seconds straight. Now, imagine if I told you that she's not real, that the entire video was generated by AI. No kitchen, no camera, no cooking. Just a smart process and your creativity. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these viral AI cooking vlogs in minutes without stepping into a kitchen, without a single video shoot, and yes, without needing a chef. We're talking about turning simple AI tools into powerful storytelling engines. But here's where it gets crazy. We're not just making a pretty slideshow. We're going to bring these images to life. The AI-generated lady will actually move. She'll wash vegetables, stir her pot, serve her rice like she's alive. It's eerie, it's fascinating, and it's 100% possible. So how do we make it happen? Let's get started. First things first, we need to generate our image prompts. You can write these prompts yourself if you're feeling creative, or you can make your life easier by asking ChatGPT like I'm doing now. I'm telling ChatGPT to help me write a descriptive, detailed prompt of a lady cooking in her kitchen. Here's an example you can paste into ChatGPT. Help me generate image prompts for an AI art generator. I want a series of images showing a beautiful young African woman in her late 20s with smooth dark skin, glowing makeup, and soft curly afro hair styled down. She's wearing a clean yellow apron over a fitted home dress, standing in a bright modern kitchen. I want images of her doing the following activities: washing fresh carrots in the sink, slicing tomatoes on a wooden chopping board, blending green vegetables in a blender, stirring a pot of rice on the gas stove, plating a steaming dish of food onto a clean white plate. ChatGPT will then generate detailed prompts for each of these actions. All the scenes will reflect the same woman in the same kitchen, so your video transitions look smooth and natural. Once ChatGPT spits out that beautifully detailed prompt, the next thing we do is copy that prompt and move on to our image generator. There are several you could use: Leonardo AI, Kling AI, SFX, but for this tutorial, we're keeping it clean and simple with PicLumen, a very easy to use and powerful image generation tool. Head over to Google, type in PicLumen, and click on the first link that appears. If it's your first time, go ahead and create an account. Once you're in, you'll see a big button that says Create. Click that, and you'll be taken to the image prompt interface. Now paste that juicy, descriptive prompt we got from ChatGPT right into the prompt box. Before you hit Generate, choose your aspect ratio. Since we're posting to YouTube, I'm selecting 16:9 landscape. If you're planning to make shorts, go with 9:16 instead. Here's a cool tip: lock the seed. What that does is it helps the AI maintain consistency in facial features and style across different images you generate for the same character. You can also use a negative prompt to remove anything you don't want, like no extra limbs or no distorted faces. It's optional, but helpful. Now, hit the arrow to generate your images. It takes a few seconds. Once the images are ready, click on them and preview. If something feels off, maybe the hand looks weird or the kitchen is too modern, tweak your prompt a bit and regenerate. Once you're satisfied, download your image. Now comes the real magic. Let's animate this still image. For that, we'll be using Kling AI, one of the best tools right now for creating hyper-realistic animations from static images. It's free and incredibly powerful. Just open your browser, type in Kling AI, and click the first link. Sign up if you haven't already. Kling gives you 166 free credits every month, so be smart with your usage. Once you're in, head over to the Experience section, and from there, click on Frames. This is where the magic happens. Upload the image you downloaded from PicLumen, and now it's time to animate. But before you hit Generate, you'll need a little animation prompt. What do you want the lady to do? Do you want her to slice vegetables, stir a pot, wash carrots? Don't worry if you're unsure. ChatGPT can help you generate the perfect prompt again. Just ask it. Give me a prompt to animate a lady cooking in a kitchen, and use whatever it gives you. Paste that animation prompt into Kling. You can also add a negative prompt to clean up any unwanted movements. Maybe you don't want her to blink too much or move unnaturally. Next, set your video length. I recommend starting with 5 to 10 seconds longer animations will eat up more of your credits. Once everything looks good, click on Generate and let Kling do its thing. In under a minute, your animated cooking lady will be ready. Watch it. If it looks realistic and smooth, great. Download it. Now, it's time to polish everything with a final edit. Open up CapCut, a free, beginner-friendly editing tool that's great for videos like this. Import all your animated clips. Arrange them in the order you want. Maybe the lady starts by washing the veggies, then cutting them, then stirring the pot. Add some royalty-free background music. I like using the YouTube Studio for that. To make it feel more immersive, add sound effects. CapCut has an audio library built in. Search for things like knife cutting, water running, food sizzling, or pot boiling, and drag those sounds onto the matching parts of the video. Throw in some smooth transitions between clips. Maybe a fade, maybe a slide. You want it to feel cinematic. Once you're happy with the flow, click Export, choose 1080p resolution, and your video is ready to post. Upload it to your YouTube channel, your TikTok, your Instagram. These short AI-generated cooking vlogs are visually satisfying, endlessly creative, and people love them. And that's it. You've just made your first AI cooking vlog in minutes, no camera, no cooking, just creativity and a few powerful tools. If you made it to the end of this video, first of all, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my playlist where I break down how to create AI-powered music videos, talking avatars, and viral content that builds your channel. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description, and if you need the exact prompts I used today, just drop a comment saying, "I need the prompt," and I'll share it with you. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.